Ready to transform your designs into professional-looking mockups without breaking a sweat? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple yet powerful steps to create stunning mockups using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, you'll discover tips and tricks to make your visuals stand out. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. When designing for t-shirts, the recommended size is 14 by 18 inches. This size ensures that your design fits perfectly on most standard t-shirts without any distortion. For coffee mugs, a size of 8.5 by 3 inches works best. This dimension wraps around the mug nicely, giving your design a professional look. Always double-check the size before finalizing your design to avoid any issues. Let's create a new t-shirt design and see how it looks on different models. First, click the Create a Design button. Choose a custom size and make sure the units are in inches. Set the width to 14 inches and the height to 18 inches. Then click Create New Design. I've already made a design and uploaded it to Canva to save time. Let's use that as a starting point. To add an uploaded design to your page, go to the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. You'll find all your previously uploaded designs there. Click on the first design to add it to your design. Once it's added, position it to the top left corner of the page. Then, resize the image to fit the entire page by dragging the corner handles. The design is finished and ready to be tested with a mockup. To download it, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. Then click on the Download button. Make sure the file type is set to PNG. If you have Canva Pro, you can change the image resolution. But even if you don't have Canva Pro, the current resolution is good enough. Remember to check the box for a transparent background. Once you've set everything up, click on the Download button again. First, go to the top left corner of the screen and find the File menu. Click on it. Then, choose Create New Design. Now you can pick a design that fits your presentation. I'm going to use an Instagram post template. Canva offers a wide variety of pre-made designs called mockups that you can use for different products. To find these mockups, go to the Apps section on the left side of Canva. Search for mockups and click on the Mockup app. You'll see different categories of mockups. Choose the Apparel category and click on See All. There are many mockups with and without models. Pick one that suits your needs and resize to suit your design. Go back to where you uploaded your design. Find the t-shirt design you just saved. Drag and drop this design onto the t-shirt picture. Now you can change the design to fit the t-shirt better. Double-click on the t-shirt picture to see more options for customizing it. There are lots of things you can do in the customization panel. Have a look around and see what you like. I'll show you how to change the size and position of your design on the t-shirt. Click on the picture of the shirt, make the design bigger or smaller, and put it in the middle. Then click Apply Changes. When you're happy with the way it looks, you're ready to go. Let's add a new page to our document and try the same design, but this time with a coffee mug. Go back to the Apps section and find the Mockups app. Choose the coffee mug option. This time, I'm going to pick a design that is 8.5 inches wide and 3 inches tall. Grab the design and move it onto the coffee mug. Make sure it fits the mug perfectly by adjusting its size and position. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating mockups. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.